Recession is an economic downturn characterized by a decline in economic activities, job loss, and a decline in purchasing power. It can be caused by a variety of factors such as inflation, high interest rates, low consumer confidence, and other economic indicators. In recent times, there has been an increase in the frequency of recessions globally. However, despite the downturn in the economy, there are still opportunities for entrepreneurs to start and run successful businesses. In this video, we will explore 20 recession-proof business ideas that will thrive in 2023. Healthcare services. The healthcare sector is one of the most stable industries in any economy. The demand for healthcare services continues to grow regardless of economic conditions. Starting a healthcare-related business, such as home healthcare, medical transportation, or medical billing and coding services, is a recession-proof business idea for 2023. Auto repair services. People need their vehicles, and they will always require maintenance and repair services. In a recession, people tend to hold on to their vehicles for longer, which means that there will be a steady demand for auto repair services. Starting an auto repair shop can be a lucrative business idea for 2023. Food delivery services. Food delivery services have become increasingly popular in recent years, and the trend is expected to continue in 2023. People will still need to eat, but they may not have the means or desire to go out to eat. Starting a food delivery service that partners with local restaurants can be a recession-proof business idea. Cleaning services. Regardless of the state of the economy, people will always need cleaning services. Starting a cleaning service that specializes in commercial cleaning or residential cleaning can be a profitable business idea for 2023. Grocery stores. Grocery stores are considered essential businesses, and people will always need to buy food and other essential items. Starting a grocery store that focuses on offering high-quality products at competitive prices can be a recession-proof business idea. Pet care services. Pet owners will always need to care for their pets, even during a recession. Starting a pet care service that offers services such as pet grooming, dog walking, and pet sitting can be a profitable business idea for 2023. Online education. In a recession, people may be more inclined to learn new skills to improve their chances of finding employment or starting a business. Starting an online education platform that offers courses in various fields can be a recession-proof business idea. Home improvement services. During a recession, homeowners may choose to improve their homes instead of buying new ones. Starting a home improvement business that specializes in services such as painting, plumbing, or remodeling can be a profitable business idea for 2023. E-commerce. E-commerce has become increasingly popular in recent years, and the trend is expected to continue in 2023. Starting an e-commerce business that focuses on offering products in niche markets can be a recession-proof business idea. Personal training services. People will always want to stay healthy and fit, regardless of the state of the economy. Starting a personal training service that specializes in online coaching or in-home training can be a profitable business idea for 2023. Home health products. As people become more health conscious, there is a growing demand for home health products such as dietary supplements, vitamins, and natural remedies. Starting a business that specializes in selling home health products can be a recession-proof business idea. Virtual assistant services. In a recession, companies may choose to outsource administrative tasks to cut costs. Starting a virtual assistant service that specializes in tasks such as data entry, email management, and scheduling can be a profitable business idea for 2023. Senior care services. As the population ages, there is a growing demand for senior care services. Starting a senior care business that offers services such as in-home care, companionship, and transportation can be a recession-proof business idea for 2023. Repair and maintenance services. In a recession, people may choose to repair and maintain their appliances, electronics, and other equipment instead of buying new ones. Starting a repair and maintenance service that specializes in fixing common household items can be a profitable business idea for 2023. Financial services. During a recession, people may need financial advice and assistance to manage their finances. Starting a financial services business that offers services such as financial planning, investment advice, and tax preparation can be a recession-proof business idea. Home-based childcare services. As more parents return to work, there is a growing demand for affordable and reliable childcare services. Starting a home-based childcare service that offers flexible hours and a safe and nurturing environment can be a profitable business idea for 2023. Event planning services. In a recession, people may choose to scale back their spending on major events such as weddings, parties, and conferences. However, there will still be a demand for event planning services that offer affordable and creative solutions. Starting an event planning business that specializes in budget-friendly events can be a recession-proof business idea. Beauty and wellness services. People will always want to look and feel their best, regardless of economic conditions. Starting a beauty and wellness business that offers services such as hair and nail care, massage therapy, and skincare can be a profitable business idea for 2023. Digital marketing services. As businesses look for ways to cut costs during a recession, they may choose to outsource their marketing activities to digital marketing agencies. Starting a digital marketing business that offers services such as social media management, content marketing, and search engine optimization can be a recession-proof business idea. Home-based business coaching. During a recession, many people may choose to start their own businesses as a way to generate income. Starting a home-based business coaching service that offers guidance and support to entrepreneurs can be a profitable business idea for 2023. Thanks for watching this video on 20 recession-proof business ideas for 2023. We hope you found these ideas useful and inspiring. Starting a business during a recession can be challenging, but with the right mindset and strategies, it can also be an opportunity to offer products and services that people need during tough economic times. Which of these business ideas do you find the most interesting or appealing? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Remember, with the right mindset and determination, you can turn any economic challenge into a profitable opportunity. So stay motivated, stay focused, and keep working towards your goals. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.